The house is paid off. Story.
Alright, come on.
Headlines. Sure, buddy. Cool. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. What is his name? Emma. They won the green. Emma. Yeah, Emma. That's my half of the place. That's because. Yeah, it's Emma's music. Speak loudly, kids are young. Awesome! It looks like a warm-up. Yeah, I'm gonna try Have a good one. Yeah, man. See you later. See you guys. See ya.
Have to go home to see.
Dust and furniture or something. He can't.
It's gone.
We're right over there.
Thank goodness. You think? Yeah.
And
I'm not that
I
loud.
take some along.
Oh, nice hit there. Woo! Huh? You picking her up?
Oh, my brother's here and I'm not taking her.
I forgot it, dude. Too bad, it's on. I was working on trying to do
Mike must come back with
somehow I didn't do it. Oh my goodness, that was like a week after I was down at Phillips.
no shit.
There were 3 chicks. The hottest chicks you ever want to see. And they had a Hamilton out of New Jersey. Oh, they had all my jerseys.
Like that. Cross now from right to left. Teenagers. Just there. These guys. These girls. Boys, girls. Girls. get a little portion of the 25%. Oh, no. 25% of it, that's mine. But you get an portion of it. And then they'll pay you back.
It might write it down. Like, oh, if I get $21. And after the house is paid off.
Story.
Alright, come on.
Headlines.
Sure, buddy.
Oh, yeah? Cool. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. One of the three. Emma. They won the green. Emma. Yeah, it's Emma's piece. Speak loud. Awesome. It looks like a warm-up. Yeah, man. See you later. See you guys. See ya.
Sim, então sobre este tema das opiniões do tempo que eu fui entender que já desde os 6 anos e já vim voltar nas fases.
Só lá que entendendo dava para todo mundo.
Sim, então
Todas as temáticas estão ali concentradas. Claro.
eu trabalho em brand design de identidade de marcas.
Faz aqui?
Fazem